Okay, today I'm showing you how easy it is to make cinnamon buns on the fire, like if you're camping. Okay, I wrote out my recipe. Maybe you got your own. If you can see that, I've just moved. Okay, there's the rest of it. Bit messy. Anyway, just about done. I'll show you the fire. Okay, here I have like a barbecue smoker thing, but I got my fire down just so it's pretty low. Had some spruce growing good, and then put in a couple like thick blocks of poplar. Slow it down the heat a bit. No raging flames or nothing. You don't want to close it and put it in the smoke either, really, so it'll be smoke flavor. But if you got a thing, you set it on the side so only cook half at a time. Keep turning it. Pay attention to it. Don't let it go on you. But they look pretty much the same as when you bake them in your regular oven. It's actually working good. The one thing I didn't add, sometimes I paint them with a bit of egg. It keeps them soft, and so they don't get really hard and crunchy. Thank you.